Have you ever accidentally knocked a hole in your internal Gyprock wall? If you have, then you know how hard it is to fix. While internal Gyprock walls are a convenient and cost-effective way for builders to construct internal house walls, they can be prone to damage if accidents occur. Whether you're faced with a hole in the wall due to an angry tenant punching the wall, a renovation accident, or a slamming doorknob, we have the perfect solution for you. The Wall Web device is an innovative solution to fixing the hole in the wall with minimum time, effort, and expense. Just insert the Wall Web repair device into the hole and pull the pin to provide back bracing, and deploy the lattice-like web and finish off with some putty and paint. It's so easy, anyone can do it. No need to cut down strips of wood or any of those pesky DIY workarounds shown on the internet that are easier said than done. With Wall Web, you can smoothly fix the hole, putty, paste, and paint, making your wall look as good as new in no time. Pre-order now